Hey everyone, welcome to Beautiful Within. My Lady Raga bag has arrived. It's a beautiful, spacious bag, pink in color with a bow, and it is the Get Set Bow edition as well. So I guess it goes with the theme. First product that we have here is the Overa moisturizing lotion, which is worth 108 bucks. That's pretty cheap. 50 ml of this product. This is from the Benz company. There's an aloe vera moisturizing lotion. So the major content is aloe vera. It relieves skin dryness and smooth and glowing skin. Nothing written for parabens or SLES or anything. But it's I guess a regular moisturizing lotion. Of course, winters are approaching in many parts of India, so makes sense. Then comes my favorite products, which is the Termax Professional Manicure Kit. This is the kit that they have, and I must say, like Lady Raga, kudos to you. Like always you innovate with some kind of a product which is very new, which no other subscription box has sent. This is the cute little manicure kit which can come in your purse as well. Nice Burberry inspired print. And how do I open it? I'm bad at opening things, okay, so just bear with me. No, but seriously, how do I open it? Okay, so I have to press it. So this is the kit, all the tools are intact and everything. Lovely kit, I must say. I'm very happy with this. This is for 399 bucks, by the way. Then there are two jewelry pieces. There is this pendant, which is here. It has a circular mesh with some fringes here, and they have matching earrings, which is why I'm not opening the pendant, because you can see the pattern from here as well. So these are the earrings. The pendant matches with these earrings, I guess, though it's a little bigger in size. Lovely earrings, I must say. I have similar kind of earrings in black metal, not with the fringe, just the circle, and now I have in gold as well. I like this piece for sure. And the final piece, which is the Urban Decay 24/7 Velvet Glide On Eye Pencil. My color is plush or plushy. This is a pencil. Now I don't have a purple kind of a pencil. There's a purple kind of a color. This is the swatch for it as well. If you see, it does not smudge at all, and it does not smudge. I used it like yesterday, and it did not smudge at least for 4-5 hours. And coming to my free gift, I've already opened the free gift. It's the Peter Thompson Mega Rich Conditioner. I guess they've already sent this as a product previously, and I have used it. Very decent conditioner, I would say, so I'm happy with it. Lady Raga bag is a lifestyle, jewelry, fashion kind of a subscription, beauty of course subscription service, which retails for 666 rupees for a month. I will put down their links below so that you can buy a Lady Raga bag for yourself. Until next time, thank you for watching Beautiful Within. Bye bye.